Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon miso soup. Start by assembling ingredients and tools, then wash and portion the salmon into uniform pieces for even cooking. Prepare dashi gently so it stays clear, and soak kombu briefly rather than boiling it. Keep miso separate until the end to preserve its aroma and probiotics, and warm your bowls so the soup stays hot when served. Heat the dashi slowly to avoid scattering fat and clouding the soup, then add salmon gently and simmer until it turns opaque through the center. Keep bubbles small and avoid a rolling boil to maintain a silky broth texture. Taste once the fish is just cooked and adjust seasoning with a splash of soy or a pinch of salt, remembering miso will add more saltiness later. Take the pot off heat and mix miso into a small bowl with warm stock until fully dissolved. Then whisk it back into the soup to keep its flavor bright. Add cubed tofu and sliced scallions to warm through without cooking them hard. Ladle into warmed bowls, top with delicate scallion rings or a light sprinkle of shichimi togarashi, and serve promptly so the textures and aroma shine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.